You arrive at the hotel. You are a little tired. You walk to the front desk. There is a receptionist waiting. You have your passport. You have your booking, but you are not sure what to say. Do you say your name first? Do you say you have a reservation? Do you show your passport? In this moment, simple English helps. Today, we're going to practice this situation, step by step. Hello, and welcome to Royo English. I'm Ryan. This is Easy English Shadowing. Checking in at a hotel is a very common situation. But for many learners, it feels uncomfortable. You arrive tired. You want your room quickly, and you don't want to make mistakes. The good news is this: hotel conversations are very simple. You only need a few clear sentences. Today, you'll hear a short, real-life story about checking in at a hotel. First, just listen. Then we'll break the situation into practical sentences. You'll practice them step by step. And finally, you'll hear the full story again at natural speed. By the end of this episode, hotel check-in will feel easy. Let's begin. First, just listen. After arriving in the city, I went to my hotel. I walked into the lobby and went to the front desk. The receptionist smiled and greeted me. "Good evening," she said. "Hello," I replied. "I have a reservation," I said. She asked for my name. "My name is Ryan," I said. Then she asked for my passport. "Here is my passport," I said. She checked the system for a moment. "Yes, I found your booking," she said. "How many nights will you stay?" she asked. "I will stay for 3 nights," I replied. Before I took the key, I asked a few questions. "What time is checkout?" I asked. "Is breakfast included?" I asked. "What time is breakfast?" I asked. "Is there a swimming pool?" I asked. She answered all my questions and gave me the key card. "Your room is on the 3rd floor," she said. I smiled and went to my room. Now, let's practice the key sentences. Listen first, then speak with me. I have a reservation. I have a reservation. Here is my passport. Here is my passport. I will stay for 3 nights. I will stay for 3 nights. What time is checkout? What time is checkout? Is breakfast included? Is breakfast included? What time is breakfast? What time is breakfast? Is there a swimming pool? Is there a swimming pool? Now, let's listen to the full story again at natural speed. After arriving in the city, I went to my hotel and walked to the front desk. The receptionist greeted me, and I told her I had a reservation. She asked for my name and my passport. I gave her my passport and confirmed that I would stay for 3 nights. Before taking the key, I asked a few questions. I asked about checkout time. I asked if breakfast was included. I asked what time breakfast was. I also asked if the hotel had a swimming pool. She answered all my questions and gave me the key card. I went to my room feeling relaxed. Everything was clear and simple. Before we finish, here are 2 practical tips. Number 1. Start with a simple sentence. I have a reservation. Number 2. Ask about important details early. What time is checkout? Is breakfast included? Next time you arrive at a hotel, stay calm. Speak slowly. Use simple sentences. Confidence comes from preparation. Your turn. What do you usually ask at a hotel? Write one full sentence in English in the comments. For example, I ask about breakfast time. In the next episode, we'll practice what to say when there is a problem in your hotel room. Simple sentences, real-life situations, step by step. See you in the next Easy English Shadowing episode. Goodbye.